to check out a new yoga place, and I remember there is this prickly pear cactus right next to the ped bridge that's on the way. So I brought a Cambro, some tongs, and I'm going to gather a few, and literally a few, because I don't know if this has been picked already or what, but I'm just going to grab a few. Maybe I'll luck out and pass another one on the way. So let's see what we can get. A decent amount on this little pad right here. All you do is grab it with little tongs, and you give it a rotation. Yeah, those guys are right. That one just fell off. It might just be falling off at this point. It is kind of late. But I like them to be really dark red. I think they call that tunas dorada. Maroon color. See, yeah, they are falling off. Alright, we'll get a few here. So this is about all I got from that one clump. And honestly, that's probably all I have the patience to process. So I'm probably just going to quit there. Popped these guys in the freezer, and now I took them out to defrost, and they should be good and soft and ready for smashing and juicing. Now what I have is just a pitcher with this mesh bag in it. This is a grain bag I got from the homebrew supply store, and I use it for all kinds of things. I have it turned a little bit sideways so the fine mesh is on the top, and it'll be able to catch any errant glochids or spines in addition to the seeds and the skins of these things. And I'm just gonna squish it through here next. I muscled the heck out of that bag, and this is what we're left with. Probably, well, maybe a couple cups of juice. Should be thorn and glochid free. And you can use it for making jelly. You can make candy. You can put it in your margarita. Possibilities are endless. We've got our prickly pear fruit juice here, and I had it in the fridge, and I said I'm going to make some sorbet with it. So we got to make up a mix for that. I just love that color. And so it's like I said, it's probably about 2 cups juice. So I made an equal amount. Well, actually this is 1 cup. Sorry, 1 cup of simple syrup, and I do half sugar, half water, but more sugar than water slightly. That's just my own personal preference, but I'm gonna throw that in there. And prickly pears are tasty, but they're kind of bland, honestly. They're not super sweet. I think the flavor is like that of a disappointing unripe watermelon that you get from the grocery store. But that's not to say it's a lost cause. It just needs a little enhancement, and that usually comes in the form of some combination of acid, salt, and spice. Acid for sure, so I'm going to put juice of half a lime in there. And also a little sprinkle of salt, just to enhance things. And since we're making sorbet, I like to include about 1 shot of some kind of liquor in all of my frozen desserts because it keeps the sugar crystal size small, and so that makes for a smoother texture. So I would, tequila would be great in this, but for some reason, I'm all out. So this is just some basic rum. And then I'm gonna put this in the fridge to cool off before I run it through the ice cream maker. Always cool your ice cream and sorbet mixes. Now our slurry is good and chilled, and it's gonna go for a spin in the ice cream maker.